Hello. So I am here to give my honest review of Pop-On Veneers. It is, I have to say, one of the best companies that I've ever shopped at. They did an amazing job. As you can see, I'm not proud of, my teeth and the way they have formed and colored over the years. And so they first off, they send you a molding kit and where you mold your teeth. Then they come out with these really cool 3D models of your teeth, which are like perfect. And then they send, the actual veneers, which fit on them so well. And so, I guess that's exactly how, they were able to figure them fitting on, my personal teeth. They actually fit on just like a glove. Is amazing, and as you can see, it is an amazing difference. Before, I didn't want to smile, and I would smile like this, in pictures with friends or videos. I was very self-conscious. I didn't go out in public as much, because I didn't want people to see me smile and see my teeth. I used to dip and chew tobacco, and that's kind of what stained my teeth over the years. And many girlfriends would always tell me that I should get something done or get them bleached, and nothing ever worked. And so I was very self-conscious. And when I seen the commercial for Pop-On Veneers online, I had to take it, and I went, and I was kind of skeptical at first. Of course, anything that isn't like real teeth, you would think that it's not gonna look right, or it's gonna break, or these aren't cheap. They don't feel like they're gonna break. They literally fit on like a glove. I can actually chew in them if I want. See, I don't have to worry about them falling out when I'm talking. I feel absolutely 100% better than I did before about my self-esteem and how I view myself. And so I am grateful to Pop-On Veneers. I am truly grateful. And so I'm doing this video on my own accord to show my appreciation for how amazing this company is. And I would recommend it to anybody that is struggling with the way their teeth looks, or their smile, or just self-esteem. They're not that expensive at all, and they have a payment plan that works with anybody's budget. So they're very, very available for anyone that actually really wants a change in how they feel about their appearance or their self-esteem. So thank you very much, Pop-On Veneers. I appreciate it, and I would totally order these again. If I lose them, I'm going to order more. And if they break, which I don't believe they will, I will get more as well. So thank you so much for everything you've done, and I will shop with you again, in the future if I ever need more. Thank you.